Smart man. Wasn't playing. What's going on, everybody? So today we're here with Matthew.
Hi.
I'm basically gonna talk to you about 5 things I don't like about 435s or 335s in general. So this will apply to any of them basically. But I'm gonna start out, me and Matthew, we kind of just like brainstorm some ideas. This isn't just for this car in particular, just FYI. And also, one of them that I'm gonna talk about has to do with the clutch, which is a manual exclusive. So if you have an auto, you don't have to worry about it. To start, I'm literally gonna talk about the clutch delay valve. So essentially what it does, betters your ability if you're not that good at driving stick on a day-to-day basis. So it makes it really easy to drive. But if you're trying to power shift, it doesn't work. Like, it'll slip your clutch and it won't let you engage the gear as fast. So it essentially slows down the clutch grabbing, which really sucks. But there's kits you can do that eliminates that, but on these cars it's a little bit harder because it's built into the slave. So moving on, I'm going to talk about the overall appearance of the 4 Series. We come to the front, it just looks bland. Like, I don't know what the deal is or who designed the front bumper of this car. It looks good until like you get to like right here, then it just looks very like flat and small.
Yeah, like I don't like the shape of it. I don't like that.
Yeah, like
it needs a splitter. That's for sure.
The 3 Series looks more aggressive without a lip for some reason. I guess they just had, I don't know. I really don't know. So number 3 is gonna be maintenance, and literally this is gonna happen on every single F chassis. I don't care. Like, if you just buy an F chassis brand new, you're solid for like what, 40,000 miles.
I don't know.
If that, like, maintenance is a big issue with these cars. It's a stereotype too. So any BMW is gonna break, and it can be anything. It can be a fuel pump. It's expensive, time consuming, and if you don't have mechanical inclination, oof.
Yeah, if you're not mechanically minded,
I'm
like.
not, I'm just gonna walk away.
No, I'll take it.
Yeah, Matthew, we'll talk to you in. Yeah. Just take the car while you're at it. All right. So moving on. We talked about looks so far, clutch delay, and visuals. Let me pull out my handy dandy note sheet that we had to write.
Because we can't remember 5 things, because there are barely 5 things to gripe about this car. But it's still a good car, obviously.
Yeah, no,
but
it's a good car in stock form. Don't get me wrong. It's just boring. Like, it gets very boring. That's why I'm changing up my exhaust, because like it's just quiet. Okay, so next up, we got stock power on these cars. Terrible. It's not fast by any means. It's not fast by any means now. You can get a tune and then boom, you're solid. You don't have to worry about being too slow anymore. But yeah, that's about it for power. Stock sucks. I recommend definitely upgrading as soon as you
yeah, that's one thing that I said. Like, you gotta change things to this car to have fun.
Yeah,
so
exactly. So if you're not too like, how would you even say that? If you don't care so much about power, it doesn't matter. But moving on, steering feel. Steering feels very mild, I would say, on these cars. You'd expect it not to be, because it's like a sports car, I guess. But steering feel just doesn't like excite me. I don't know. That's also like opinion-wise, but I think anyone could agree. Even in sport mode, it's a little bit stiffer, but not by much. It's just like a little change. Like normal mode, it's like, oh, I'm gonna drive all like comfortably and just, oh, so luxurious. And then you put it in sport mode, kind of the same. So don't be like expecting too much out of the steering feel of one of these cars. It's just not the greatest. You're buying a luxury car, essentially. That's just built into a sport car-ish way. I feel like I'm explaining this very.
I do have something to add.
And I think that also has to apply like with the whole like electric steering rack. It's so artificial. Like your car, yeah. See, that's the thing.
Transfer.
Your car like is mechanical. It's more mechanical and more like driver suited, I guess. So you feel stuff in that car. Like this car is more like refined, more like luxury day-to-day base. A lot of people, like personally, I kind of like it just because I drive this car daily. So I'm not really out in the mountains and all that stuff. I mean, we do live in Texas. It's not like, yeah, it's not like mountainous or anything, but it's still like relatively fun to drive in. But yeah, it's definitely changed over time. The 335 was heavy in terms of steering. You couldn't change it. It was good for a lot of people. Everyone liked it because it felt, and it also
liked the way your 335 drove.
Yeah,
I liked it.
the wheels sucked, but other than that, it was.
Cam.
So Matthew's gonna drive us back.
Some quick thoughts.
You know what? I hardly sit passenger in this car. So we're like filming at this like airport thing.
Yep, the local air park in the middle of a neighborhood.
Freaking gorgeous outside. Although it was hot today. That's probably why I look like I'm sweating.
You don't have AC.
Is that John and bitch? There you go.
See, I'm not gay.
As you can tell, it's pretty freaking annoying right now. It's very obnoxious without the muffler on there. Although it doesn't drone too bad.
Was not expecting that.
Yeah, she spins a little bit.
What are you running on back? 245s?
55.
255s?
Yeah, I'm gonna get 75s though when I get my new wheels.
That's what I'm running right now. Are you gonna get the same tire?
No, I'm gonna run Fetties. She's sounding good right now. I actually like it. There's a snake again. I was also looking to upgrade my tune. I wanted to get, so right now I'm on MHD Stage 2 Plus. It's good, but I found a guy who does custom tunes via MHD, and I was looking into it. It's 500 bucks, so it's a little pricey, but I get it. It's a custom tune, it's gonna be more expensive. But I wanna see how it performs. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for the video today, you guys. Hope you enjoyed as always, and if it helped you in any way, shape, or form, let me know in the comments, or just like the video. That'd be awesome. Thank you for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.